Step 1. Make social media less accessible. Instead of deleting social media completely, the smarter move is to reduce how easily you can access it, because convenience is what turns casual usage into compulsive behavior. Remove social media apps from your phone and restrict their use to a laptop or desktop, so scrolling becomes a conscious choice rather than an automatic reaction. If deleting the apps is not possible, enforce strict time limits and physically keep your phone away from your workspace, since even small barriers can dramatically reduce mindless usage. Step 2. Get comfortable with boredom. One of the biggest reasons social media becomes addictive is because it fills every small moment of boredom, leaving your brain no space to rest or recalibrate. Instead of immediately reaching for stimulation, allow yourself to sit in boredom and resist the urge to escape it through scrolling. Over time, this discomfort trains your attention span to recover, strengthens impulse control, and rebuilds your ability to focus deeply without needing constant external input. Step 3. Replace scrolling with purpose. Cutting down on social media without replacing it with something meaningful almost guarantees relapse, because the brain always seeks direction. Use the extra time and mental energy to set simple daily goals that give your discipline structure, such as one task for your mind through studying or learning, one task for your body through physical training, and one task for your spirit through reflection or long-term planning. Purpose fills the void that scrolling once occupied. Step 4. Schedule guilt-free relaxation. Discipline works best when it includes intentional recovery, not constant restriction. So give yourself a fixed hour each day where you are allowed to relax and enjoy whatever you want without guilt. Schedule this time after your priorities are completed, preferably before your night routine, so relaxation feels earned rather than stolen. This transforms social media from a distraction into a controlled reward. Do not run away from social media or rely on extreme solutions, because real discipline comes from control, not avoidance. Start applying these steps today and prove to yourself that you can master your habits instead of being ruled by them.